Hey there, welcome to DFM. Today I'll walk you through the user management section and show you how to navigate it effortlessly. Start by heading over to the user management tab. This section helps you manage user details, all of which are synchronized with IDAP. Here you'll find a list of all users. We currently have 3,871 users on the list. If you want to filter users by role, simply click on the Select Roles drop-down and choose the role you're looking for. You can also filter users based on their status, whether you want to see only active users or just inactive ones. The status filter makes it easy to narrow things down. And that's it. Managing users has never been simpler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.